Welcome back, everyone! And here are the things that we are going to be using to create this rainbow magnetic cat eye design with a star. So yeah, most of the products are from Madam Glam except for the powder. So let's go ahead and get started. Apply base gel and cure 30 seconds. I'm applying my first layer of magnetic gel polish, and with the magnetic gel polish you want to apply these layers thick. That way the magnetic particles will move around easily. And then you just use your magnet, and when you get the polish the way you want it, go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. This is the second layer of the magnetic gel polish, and it is applied in the same manner as the first layer. I top coat with a no wipe gel top coat and cure that for 1 minute. Now I apply the powder over top, and I am using two colors. I'm using a pink and a blue. And I do pink, then blue, then pink, then blue, and it just creates a rainbow effect. And if you want, you can use more than two colors. It would be beautiful, I'm sure. I'm using this sponge tool to apply the 4 colors of gel polish on the nail right on top of the pigment. I'm going to just dab this and then a flash cure for 5 seconds and then repeat until I get the desired color. I use the chrome paint to paint on the star. I add little silver dots throughout, and then once that's completed, I cure for 1 minute. I use the black paint and just dot the very ends of the star, and then I will cure that for 1 minute. Now I come in with a clear jelly polish and just take one little drop, put it in the center of the star, and then I will cure that for 1 minute. Now it's time to top coat with a no wipe top coat, and I will cure that for 1 minute. And here is the finished look. It's a beautiful, super easy technique to use to create a rainbow magnetic gel polish with using powders. And then I added the star. So it's very festive. And I want to thank you so much for being here. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!